The following melody is called Insensatez. It is a bossa nova song from Brazil. A very beautiful melody by Jobim and Moraes. It's a famous song. I love that sound, that Brazilian sound. And so I wrote my own interpretation to it. And I call it you can hear your voice changing. Yes, that's how I call it. You can hear your voice changing. Here I go. When you say what you mean and express what you feel, you can hear your voice changing. When you tune into your sound, you will know you have found a very special arrangement. Words will come by themselves. You know that it helps, and no one else is needed. You find out what's your own when you are alone, enjoying your own meditation. And then you go out and meet your friends and colleagues to have real communication. Others will notice your peace, and you hand them your keys. inviting new conversation. And when they say their own truth, you're happy they could. It's such a revelation. We can stay with the facts. We can be direct about our own creation.